Ready? You see, what had happened was, there was this turtle. He was walking along the road, and then he saw this bunny. And then what happened?
Oh, I don't want to.
And then the turtle was like, but you have to.
But I don't want to.
Why not?
Because I'm a chicken.
There's no chickens. I don't see no chickens. Where's the chickens?
There is a chicken right there. Dun, dun, dun.
No chicken. And then the turtle's like, well, fine. I will go talk to the seabird.
What seabird?
That one way up in the sky.
I don't see it.
Oh,
I
well,
heard it.
the turtle was very lonely and just wanted to see one person. Who was that one person?
Dun, 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 dun.
Winnie the Pooh!
But in reality, it was really her loving boyfriend KJ, who she is obsessed with.
Dun, 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 dun.
Silence, said the turtle.
Dun, 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 dun.
Well, later on that day, you see what had happened was, there was this bird, he's just flying and flying, and he's like, wait, it's an airplane. No, it's an eagle. No, it's
Dun, 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 dun.
Piglet. And then Piglet just walks along and says, oh, look at the bird flying.
Dun, 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 dun.
No, wrong words. Piglet said, run! And Piglet almost fell over Eeyore, and Eeyore said, what are you doing? I'm trying to sleep. And then Piglet's like, I'm so sorry, I will run the other way.
And if you ask me, she's a little bit too tall to be Piglet.
And then you see what had happened was at the end of the day, Megan woke up and this was all a dream.